Okay, once again, good day everyone. So now, at this very moment, I will share my insights as a computer engineering student, some of the IT laws that is applicable to the ICT field. Also, I will state my opinion. I will state how these laws affects our profession. First on my list is the Department Circular 2017-001 or the Public Key Infrastructure. So, uh, so it is a law that governs the PKI or the Public Key Infrastructure. So, it is a set of rules, policies related to the IT industry, and the purpose of this PKI is to facilitate the secure electronic transfer of information in relation to the business using computer related stuff. So now my opinion to the said law is it directly affects us the IT community in terms of security, so that uh, in terms of security so that we can avoid data breach, and also we can avoid the hackers, because the primary role of this law is to protect a range of network activities such as e-commerce, internet banking, and confidential email. It also regulates passwords to be safe when we talk about authentication. So that's it. Uh, I'm I'm glad that this law is created, because it's good to know that we can work in our job safe and sound. So another law I think that is very beneficial to me to us to the as a computer engineering student. I mean it is not just beneficial to the IT community, but also it is beneficial to all the people. So it is the Republic Act number 10175, or the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, which addresses crimes committed against and through computer systems. This law protects every individual from crimes involving the use of computers. Now, it affects us in a way that if someone commits a crime to us using these technologies related to computers, at least we have the power to punish uh, every individual who committed that crime, and so that we can implement justice. So the next law that is significant to us in the IT industry is the Republic Act 10173, or the Data Privacy Act of 2012. This act is the Data Privacy Act of 2012 protects the fundamental human right to privacy of communication while ensuring free flow of information to promote innovation and growth. Also, it has an obligation to ensure that personal and private informations are secured. Now let's dive into the cultural issues that affects our profession. So these are the cultural issues that affects our field within the IT industry. So the first cultural issue is the culture versus individualism. So it affects us as an IT or computer engineer because regular office work hours is between 8 to 5 between 8 to 5 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and because of that it limits the person who is active and like to write code in the evening. The next cultural issue that affects our field is the culture versus logic. You know that as an engineer we have to be logical and in terms in have to be logical in terms of our reasoning and with our decisions. Now for that reason, it creates conflict within our culture. So for example, there is a belief in some religion that is prohibited to do work on Fridays. So it affects them to be productive because as a computer engineer, they can't do any tasks on Fridays. So I think that's all for the laws that associated with the IT industry, and also I have tackled the cultural issues that affects the IT community. That's all, and thank you.